welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sync Todoist with Google Calendar, okay? First up, go ahead and go to your Todoist account. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead over to the top left and click on your profile. Just click on it. Now, in these options, just look for resources, okay? Just hover your mouse onto it. Now, go ahead and go to integrations. Just click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to click on Add Integrations. Now, in here, click on Most Popular, okay? Just click on it, and as you can see here, we have Google Calendar. Click on it. Now, go ahead and click on Add. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to click on Connect Google Calendar. Click on it. Now, go ahead and log in with your Todoist account. Hit on Continue. Give the necessary permissions and hit on Continue. As you can see here, it says Calendar account added. Make sure that Show Events in Todoist is turned on. Now go to the bottom, and here we have Sync Task to Calendar. Make sure that it is turned on as well. And if you want to sync all day tasks, go ahead and turn on the slider. All right. Once done, click on Resync. Go back to Google Calendar and refresh the page once more. And here we have our Todoist. As you can see here, here are my tasks from Todoist. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.